You might be working hard on a YouTube channel that will never grow. And sometimes the data is already telling us, just that we do not really understand, and most of the times we can't even interpret what we are seeing. Sometimes the reason why your channel is not growing is not because you are inconsistent, neither is it because you do not know how to upload your videos properly or make use of the right optimized tools. Most of the times it's actually because the channel itself is wrongly positioned. And I bet you, if you do not fix this, you might be uploading video here from now to the next 6 months, even to the next 1 year or even 2 years. You will not still get that visibility. So basically, in today's video, we are going to be talking about 3 basic signs you need to go ahead and check on your YouTube studio or your video analytics to be able to know if you actually need to restart your channel all over again. And also, I'll be giving us guidelines on how to actually do this. So try your best to make sure you pay attention. And with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So now the very number one sign is if you notice flat impression over consistency. Now let's assume that you've been able to post 20 to 40 or 35 videos on your channel that are properly optimized. These are videos you upload with the right thumbnail, the right titles, the right description, tags and hashtag. Then after posting these videos, you notice flat impression, like the impression is not even fluctuating. That is, let's assume that you post a video and you go through that impression and the impression click through rate. You notice that the line is flat this way. That is a very big sign that something is wrong with your channel and you need to restart. Okay, but let's say you check it and you notice that the line is going up and down, which is actually the normal way a YouTube video analysis is supposed to be. If yours is not going up and down, then that simply means that your channel has been positioned wrongly. Now, do not get me wrong, it's actually safe or it's actually part of growth to get low views on your videos. So now low views is actually healthy, but once you notice stagnancy, like there is nothing moving, zero impression click-through rate sometimes could even be high as 200, but your main video impression is 0, then it simply means that you need to wake up and act fast. Instead of publishing videos on that channel back to back, go ahead and restart and re-strategize. Okay, so now the second sign you need to also check out is if your channel niche audience is mismatched. Now you have to understand that YouTube tests your video with a specific audience. So if your first 10 to 20 videos confuse the YouTube algorithm, then your channel may be misclassified because of the confusion already. And how can you be able to check this out? Let's assume that you open a brand new YouTube channel and your very first 10 to 15 video is talking about cryptocurrency. Then after that, you notice that, oh, there is no growth. You go ahead and switch to another niche. Maybe you start talking about food, or maybe how to make money, or maybe developing a website. Let's say, okay, you finally decide to post up to under 10 to 15 videos and nothing is still working out. Then you decide that, oh, faceless niche is trendy, let me try out faceless niche. Still nothing is happening. Then you still say, oh, on that same channel you decide to try out the fourth niche entirely. Now you have not only confused the viewers coming in to that particular channel, but you have confused the YouTube algorithm in total. And sometimes it takes a long time, or most of the times it's actually very, very difficult for the YouTube algorithm to finally understand who your channel and your content is made for. So if you are in this particular category, you are a type that you have posted like 5 to 4 or 3 different niche entirely on one channel, and still you are noticing zero growth, what I'm going to advise you to do right now, go ahead and restart a brand new channel from scratch. Pick out one of the niche. Forget about the subscribers maybe you might have gathered on that particular channel. Just check out those 3 niche that you've done on that channel, then pick out a particular one and focus your whole energy on that brand new channel that you just opened. okay? And make sure that every video you are uploading is properly optimized. Make sure that the channel general setting, you set it up the right way. And maybe if you do not know how to do all this, I think my next video should be about the important settings you need to set on your channel, that is on a brand new channel, for you to get instant visibility, okay? So now the third sign you need to go ahead and check out is if you notice that your retention actually drops before the first 20 seconds of your video or after 20 seconds of your video. Then for this particular case, restarting all over a new YouTube channel might not really be the solution, because if the retention drops before 20 seconds of your video, it simply means that it's that point or at that minute that viewers are skipping your content. That is, viewers are leaving your video to watch other videos on the YouTube home space. Now, this is not really about your channel is misclassified, or maybe something is wrong with your channel. Something is actually wrong with the video itself. So what do you have to do? Now the work is in your hand. You have to take your time to work on your video. Try to check out, could it be that I've been using a particular hook pattern that is making people to click off from my content immediately? Then go ahead and maybe start shortening it, or if possible you can go over to your YouTube studio and re-edit that particular point of that video, cut out that part and let the video start from when the main content begins. Now this happens most of the times to Faceless YouTube channel. There was a time that I was doing review for one of my students like that in the Faceless niche. We discovered that this was exactly what was wrong with the channel, because when her video wants to start, she's fond of always doing a very long introduction telling you why you need to subscribe to the channel with this channel trailer, this short video that has to do with your channel name, the banner, just wasting people time. But as soon as she decided to cut those things off and started uploading those her prayer video, like direct straight to the point, she noticed a very high spike on her videos. Now, have you seen that? Had it been she go ahead to restart a brand new channel, still following the same hook pattern, she's still going to remain at one spot. The channel might not get that growth that she's looking for. So most of the time, it's not all about restarting all over again. So now you have to understand that you do not need to restart your channel all over again if you are doing these 4 things that I'm going to be sharing with us. Number one, let's assume that you have managed to post only 10 to 15 videos on your channel. You feel, oh, because of you're not getting that views, or you're getting like 10 views today, tomorrow 20, 200, back to 50 views. If this is how your channel is at the moment, you do not need to restart, because you have to understand that sometimes on a brand new channel, or sometimes on a channel you just created, your very first 10 to 20 videos might not even go viral. That huge spike might even come from your 30th upload, or from your 20th upload save. Okay, now secondly, if you notice that you are inconsistent with your upload, you post today, the next time you're posting on your channel is like 7 days time, or maybe a week or 2 weeks time, then there is no need of you restarting. You are actually the one that is killing that channel by yourself. Then thirdly, if you notice that your thumbnails are very weak, thumbnail is the door to every video on YouTube here. So most of the times, or majority of the time, what makes a viewer click on your video is from the thumbnail and the title. So if your thumbnail is weak and you do not come up with engaging title or captivating thumbnails, then you are actually the one limiting your video visibility. See, your content can be great, be of a very high quality, but the minute you mess up with your thumbnail, with your title, and the first 20 seconds of your video, you have lost the viewers. So you have to try your best to start working on this point, okay? Then fourthly, if you notice that, oh, you've not been able to test different packaging that is different medium of upload on your channel. If you've not tested it, then there is no need of you going ahead to create a brand new channel to start. Sometimes it might start with this thumbnail pattern and it might not really be working well. What you just have to do is to go ahead and test out another different thumbnail pattern. Now, while you are doing all these that I just listed, make sure that you are also paying attention to your video analytics. As long as they are not on zero impression, like nobody is clicking on it to watch at all. There are some of my student channel with just only 2 subscribers. They are getting over 100 views. They are getting over 1,000 impressions per video. That is how to know a channel that is going to grow. Not the one that maybe you manage to get like 10 subscribers and you cannot even boast of the least 800 to even 1,000 or to even 5,000 impression on a single video you upload on your channel. Okay, so you only need to restart from scratch on a brand new channel if you notice these things that I just shared with us relating to our video analysis and audience mismatched. Okay, so now we're going to be doing something that is for those of us that made it to this part of this video. Go down to the comment section. You can briefly summarize what you're currently maybe facing on your channel. Then if I'm able to view your comments, I can be able to like tell you, okay, with what you've said, I think you need to start all over again afresh on a brand new channel. Now when starting afresh, in my next video, I'm going to be sharing with us the basic settings you need to fix ASAP on that channel, that is feeding the YouTube algorithm with the necessary information on that particular niche you're going to. Now study that old channel, study what was not working, now work on it on the new channel. Okay, it's something you can do. If you calm down and take your time, you can do it, and before you know it, growth there is going to be fast. In fact, it's always faster. Okay, so I just hope you understand every single thing we've shared in this video, and thank you so much for watching to this extent. So if you've not liked this video, please make sure to like this video, drop me your comments in the comment section, and lastly, do not forget to subscribe so that you can be part of this amazing family, because on here what we talk about is growth tips, ideas to help you grow your YouTube channel organically. Okay, so I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.